And go.
Action. Okay, so we all just filled out this column. Earlier this week, you guys read about articles about. Let me ask you, as a group, were there any generalizations about women in this video? And if so, what were they?
Behind reality TV.
So what I want you guys to do is get your pen and pencil ready, and I want you to do a 2-minute free write exercise, and you're going to reflect on the word drama. Okay? How would you define it, and what does that mean to you? So go ahead. Okay, then what? All right. So I want you to again just write about what the word drama means to you. How would you define it? Finish that up. About 30 more seconds. To get everything.
We're in the bathroom too.
Oh, Trevor, thanks. Anyone want to share? What did you just say? What they wrote? It might take advice to the women. No volunteers? Anyone else want to share? Okay. All right. That's fine. Were there any generalizations about men? I do want to just let you know. And if so, what were that? There's actually a double meaning with the word drama. You know that? So, in the context, or the meaning of theater, drama refers to a play or performance. Okay? Like drama class, right? In a social context, drama often refers to an emotional conflict between or among people. Anyone else? Other observations? So, okay, thanks for responding. How would you feel that people enjoy? Well, we're going to move on to now using that same paper that you just wrote generalization definition on. You're going to write the definition of this word. It's called stereotype. So, you guys ever heard of that word? Yeah. All right. So stereotype, right? So, and no, we're not talking about the stereotype. For example, someone may initiate a fight on a friend's Facebook wall, right? We're talking about this one. See the comments. It's called a stereotype. So, in the social feel that people enjoy online dramas? Why or why not? A widespread belief. Anyone want to just share? Okay, so instigating, right? About a group of people. Seeing fights? Okay. Anyone else? People not agree? Often negative. Okay. Yeah, that's a popular one. Okay. Thanks for sharing. So again, a widespread belief about a group of people. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to divide you up into groups that influences 3. So you guys are already a group? How members of that group? You guys are already in a group. I'll just have you 2 gentlemen join this table right here. And then I'm going to have you 3 just sit back here. Are perceived and treated. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand out this worksheet for you. As I hand this out, just put your name on it. So again, a stereotype is a widespread belief about a group of people, often negative, that influences how members of that group are perceived and treated. So how we look at them, right? Perception, how we see them. So we're going to take a moment to write that down. When you're done, just put your pencil down so that you're ready to move on. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay, so now what we're going to do, now that you're in your groups, you guys are going to be watching a video of middle school children having an open discussion about digital drama and whether girls and boys experience it differently. Okay? So, let me get the lights here. Boys will be dragged into drama. I like how you use that word. Okay. All right, guys, let's all come back together. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you, did you notice any generalizations about girls in this video? If so, what were they? Anyone want to share?
More sensitive.
Okay. All right. So looks like most of you guys have finished. So more sensitive from the insults. Okay. Do you think anyone else? Reality TV might lead to stereotypes about. Did you notice any generalizations about the boys in this video? So think. Let me repeat that again. Do you think that reality TV might lead to stereotypes about girls and boys, women get dragged into drama? Okay, so think about it. Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah, dragged into drama. Okay. What do you think about these generalizations? Are they true?
So I
of
just
you
wanna-
and your friends? Or are they true
you
for
to
some
think about
of us?
this
Is to recognize that when people see these same kinds of behaviors depicted again and again on reality TV, it may encourage you to make assumptions of entire groups of people. So for example, people might think of women as naturally more inclined to drama than men. Or reality TV might reinforce the stereotype that it's unmanly for guys to talk about their emotions. Not all. Okay. So
But
we'll
most.
ask that question again. Okay.
Do you think reality TV
Great,
might
thanks for responding, you guys. Okay, so now what I'm gonna have you guys do, thank you very much. Let's see. Well, first of all, let me ask you, do you watch reality TV shows?
No.
And if so, do the shows ever feature drama? No? Or yes?
They do.
They do?
I kind of watched Jersey Shore, but I realized how
Anyone
stupid it
else?
was.
I'm sorry? Let me ask you this, how real do you think reality TV drama actually is? Perception. So we think it's scripted? Anyone else have a different opinion?
Interesting.
Do you think they're scripted? Do you think any of this? Okay. You think it's all scripted?
Well,
Scripted. So what I'd like you guys to do, I'm inviting you to share connections that you've made. Maybe some of it between the boxes on your handouts.
Maybe some shows like Half
So,
based off real.
recognize that the middle schoolers in the video made generalizations about girls, boys, and drama similar to the stereotypes created by reality of it being real or. So for example, okay. Can you think of examples? I want you to analyze where you and your friends have dealt with conflict. Take a step back and then look at in non-dramatic ways. Okay. On the reactions to the Real Housewives clips. Can you think of examples with your reactions from your own lives? Jesse's comment. Where you and your friends that I feel like girls aren't taken seriously online. Okay. Okay. And then I also want you to take a step back and look at the way men were portrayed in the Real Housewives clips. With Robbie's comment. I feel like boys sometimes get dragged into drama by girls. So I want you to think about that, analyze, again, take a step back and really look at the situation and reflect less action on those connections that you've made. Good observation. Okay. All right, I'm going to show you a different video, and this is called The Real Housewives. Okay, I want you to take notes on this. Okay, I'm encouraging you to take notes. So let me pull it and ask for you. Final question. I'm going to give you a few minutes. I'm actually asking one more question. So reflect on. I'm going to give you the extent to which drama can actually hurt people's feelings. A few minutes to fill out column B this time. Okay. So you just filled out column A. Now what I'd like you to do is do the same thing like you did on this side. Only this time, this is regarding what you just watched. Why or why not? On reality television. So you're going to discuss and reflect on the extent to which drama can actually hurt people's feelings. Go ahead and discuss that with your team. Once you fill out the information about the girls and go on to the boys. Does it make it seem less serious? Listen up. Listen up, you guys. Why or why not? So you're going to find you're going to reflect on the generalizations about the ways girls and boys act, and then you're going to write it based on what you just saw on reality TV. Okay. So as a group, discuss and then write it down. Okay. So have your views changed? Or are they still the same? Have your impressions of online drama changed? Why? Since the beginning of this lesson? Okay. Why or why not? Why don't you guys take a moment to discuss this question with your group? And do you think that there's any influence from TV? This is the last question I'm going to ask you during class. Okay. But right here. So that's a change right there. I want you as a group being aware that to ask this question. What we see on TV can change the way we think about groups of people. Has your impressions? Do you think that? Have your impressions of online drama changed since the beginning of this? And it's not just for why or why not. So I want to take a moment to discuss. Probably for a lot of different things. Has it changed? How TV can influence people's thinking? Does anyone agree or disagree with what Trevor just said? All right, you guys. What I'd like you to do for now is go ahead and make sure your name is on these worksheets, and then turn it into the period 2 box for me. Okay, and then I'm going to have you sit back in your groups.